and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to show you the new drone show, the Electrical Sky Parade. It is the newest show in Disneyland Paris with drones. Hi, my name is Marike and behind the camera is Mark and you are watching Magical Vacation Guide. I'm going to do this a little bit fast because in 30 minutes this show, the new drone show, is going to begin in Disneyland Paris. It is a show based on the Electrical Parade, Main Street Parade, that has debuted here in Disneyland Paris in 1992 and it's inspired by that. So you'll see all these old characters. Yesterday we saw the show, but because of the hard winds, the drones couldn't fly. But we did see the show, hear the music, so we know a little bit what it's about. But tonight, I hope that it's the first time that we can see the show. There are 500 drones and they are all from the show they are all from the company Drosonios, which also cooperates with Disneyland Paris for the Disney Delight Show, which you know from the 30th anniversary of course, and Avengers Power the Night. It is one of the biggest drone shows Disneyland Paris has ever made. There are also projections on the castle, and unlike Disney Delight, if the drones don't fly, it is still a very interesting show to see because the projections on the castle, they don't bore you, unlike the 30th anniversary Delight. So the music is actually a remix of the Electrical Main Street Parade that has been here in 1992. But a couple of new characters have been introduced into the Electrical Sky Parade because they weren't born yet. You see a little bit of Tiana, Princess and the Frogs, you see a little bit more Moana, but those characters weren't there yet in 1992. So that's why you'll see, you're like, why do they have Robin Hood? He's not relevant, but he was in 1992. So I hope that we see the show tonight with the drones, and you can see maybe a little bit on the towers. They have a new LED light. They are also included into the show. Well, it's only 30 minutes. The crowds are getting pretty. It's getting pretty crowded. So we're gonna let you see the show, and we're gonna share our experience. And I hope that you have a chance to see the show as well. Oh, by the way, the drones don't fly when the wind is 25 kilometers or more. So, and it's supposed to be only 22 kilometers at night, so fingers crossed. Okay, Mark, let's go. It's getting pretty crowded.
En 1992, une parade magique célébrant l'héritage de Walt Disney prenait vie en apportant de la joie et de l'imagination pour illuminer nos cœurs. In 1992, a magical parade celebrating the legacy of Walt Disney sparkled to life, bringing joy and imagination to shine into our hearts. Aujourd'hui, la parade revient. Today, the parade returns.
Aujourd'hui, Disneyland Paris est fier de vous présenter son extraordinaire festival de magie nocturne et d'enchantement. Dans une féerie de milliers de lumières, sur une musique électro-synthé magnétique. The Disney Electrical Sky Parade.
Yay, drones!
Yeah.
Yay! We made it not for nothing. We had the drones tonight. That is amazing news. So that means that with 20 kilometers, according to the weather app on my phone, that means that according to the weather app on our phone, 20 kilometers is fine for the drones, and it is amazing. It's just art in the sky with techniques.
And a lot of memories came back by the electrical parade.
Yeah, definitely for
me,
you. Yeah, I've never seen it. And they also emerged some new characters, like we said, and it's just amazing. It's an amazing drone show, and it's definitely a must-watch if you are here in Disneyland, and definitely whether to come for it in Disneyland. And there are a lot of exciting things going to happen in the next 2 months or something with a new hub show and new decorations. So if you want to go, definitely go around March, April, because then it's the best time, because it's what's the first thing of the new color season.
Yeah.
But for now, we want to say, we want to close the vlog. Yeah. If you like content like this, definitely subscribe to our channel. Comment it down below if you've already seen it and what you thought, or if you're going to see it. Definitely do that. We hope that you have a Disneyland Paris trip planned very, very soon. And we wish you a very magical day wherever you are. See you next video. Bye.